Good morning, traders. It is Erica at Alpha E Trades. It is Monday, April 19th, about 9:26 a.m., about 4 minutes till the market open. And so this week here, traders, we're starting with the markets to attempt a pullback. Let's see if this holds. ES, we're negative 9 points, NQ negative 66, and RTY negative 8. Now let's take a look here. This is ES, the 1440 chart. Now all of our main targets for the upside have already been met on this. Now we do have a target too from the 1440 or daily chart here, traders, of 4220. However, though, I am expecting just a little bit of a retracement here. So let's throw in some fibs real quick. Okay, we're going to take this swing low here. All right, and I'm looking for a retracement. Now we have to work our way through the fibs. 61.8 here is 41.32, so we essentially could come down and test this. However, given the market momentum, we also could come down and test this 50 exponential moving average at 40.62. Now that's what we've got going on the 40-minute. I do not have a complete trade setup, except for we still are targeting target 2, but I expect a little bit of a pullback before we ultimately keep chucking along to the upside. Now let's take a look here at the 4-hour chart. We are attempting, notice I said attempting here, okay, because nothing has been triggered yet. Okay, now we well exceeded psychological last week. I was saying 41.50, we well exceeded that. 41.83 give or take. Okay, now let's take a look here from the 4-hour perspective here. It's not closed. We need a true close below 41.60 for the sellers to come in. So currently right now our sellers are at 41.60, our buyers are at 41.75. Okay, if this were to trigger here, traders, okay, again, nothing has been confirmed. Here's your sellers. If we get a close underneath here, here are your targets: 41.51, the 100 extension, and 41.41, the 141 extension. Also too, let's take a look, 200 extension is 41.27. So we need a true close here though, traders. Here are your sellers, 41.60. Okay, and then we have your buyers up here at 41.75. So a little bit ugly still sideways here. Not sure how this is going to play out, so we'll check that out tomorrow on actually what happened. But if this does trigger for the sellers, these are your targets. Let's take a look at the 60-minute chart on ES real quick. Okay, same scenario here, just cranking the microscope down. Now again, this hasn't closed. Here are your sellers, and this is the same trade. Okay, so we've got leg 1. Okay, usually we'll see leg 2, then the upside, and then leg 3. Okay, so again, same targets. Take note where the 200 exponential moving averages is almost, give or take, just below the 100 extension. So let's see how we go here on ES, see if any of these trades do trigger, okay, because we are still kind of sideways. We are overall in a bull market, so pullbacks have been extremely shallow. And market is now open. NQ real quick on the 60-minute chart here, traders, we did have a sell trade trigger. Let's take a look at this. It has met target 1. Okay, target 1 is at 13,946. Now target 2 here, traders, on NQ is 13,903. Okay, so again, these are the targets that are triggered already. See if momentum can follow that through on NQ. RTY, let's take a look. RTY, we have the 60-minute chart as well. Okay, we had a swing trade. Target 1 was at the 100 extension, and notice how we're kind of creeping back up. Take note of the 50 exponential moving average, almost trying to attempt to punch into this. Okay, we're getting a little bit of resistance here. Now the second target here on RTY here, traders, is 22.28. Nice correlation over here with support here. So we'll see how we go throughout the day and if we get these triggered or not. Again, we are currently sideways, so nothing is truly triggered yet on the sell side just yet. But all of our main targets have been met for the buy side. So currently in no trades as of now. All right, traders, market is open, and we'll see how we how these played out, and we will be back tomorrow. Have a good one.